When do police need a search warrant for surveillance? Imagine a world where your private conversations, your home, and your personal data are open books to anyone with a badge. Sounds unsettling, right? Well, the law steps in to protect your privacy. When it comes to surveillance, police generally need a search warrant if they want to look into what you consider private. This includes inside your home, your private messages, or any electronic data stored on your devices. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution guards against unreasonable searches and seizures, meaning police can't just snoop around without a good reason. To get a warrant, police must show a judge there is probable cause. That is, they have enough evidence to believe that their surveillance will uncover proof of a crime. The warrant must specify exactly what they want to look at and where. For example, if they want to tap your phone or monitor your emails, they need a warrant supported by facts that suggest criminal activity. The same goes for using cameras inside your house or tracking your movements on private property. There are some exceptions, though. If you give consent for police to watch or listen, they don't need a warrant. Emergency situations also allow for immediate surveillance if there's a risk of harm or destruction of evidence. Public spaces are different because there's usually no reasonable expectation of privacy there, so police can observe or record without a warrant. If a suspect is in hot pursuit, officers can follow them into private areas without a warrant to prevent escape. With technology advancing rapidly, courts are constantly deciding how laws apply to digital data. For instance, monitoring emails or tracking your phone location often requires a warrant, but the rules can be complex. If police conduct surveillance without a warrant when one is needed, any evidence they gather might be thrown out of court. You have the right to challenge illegal surveillance and protect your privacy rights. Knowing your rights means understanding that police can't freely eavesdrop on your private conversations or access your personal devices without proper legal approval. Warrants act as a safeguard, making sure surveillance is justified and not overstepping boundaries. So, next time you wonder when police need a search warrant for surveillance, remember it's mainly when they want to look into your private life, and they must follow strict legal rules to do so.